Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help fix Roblox not loading on PC. First, let's cover the basics. Always begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong. A simple restart of your computer can often resolve many temporary glitches, so give that a try. Also, quickly verify that Roblox's servers are operational and that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the game. These initial steps are crucial and can save you a lot of time. Next, let's dive into network and firewall solutions. Try resetting your router and modem. This can often refresh your network connection and clear up any bottlenecks. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking Roblox, so temporarily disabling them or adding Roblox to their exception list is a smart move. For some, switching to a public DNS server, like Google's, can also improve connectivity and resolve loading issues. Now, let's focus on the Roblox client itself. A common fix is to clear your Roblox cache and temporary files, as corrupted data can prevent loading. If that doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox player often resolves deeper issues. Remember to run Roblox as an administrator, which can grant necessary permissions. Also, ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. Finally, for more persistent problems, consider these advanced checks. Make sure all pending Windows updates are installed, as system updates can include important fixes. Performing a clean boot can help identify if other software is conflicting with Roblox. If the issue still persists after these steps, gather all the details and contact Roblox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and guide you through further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.